there, friends. So we're going to draw a winter troll.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along with us. You need your drawing supplies. We're using markers, but you can use whatever you have. You also need some
Paper and something to color with.
Yeah, you're ready to start.
Yes.
Because we're using our markers to draw and color with, we're also using marker paper to draw on. This helps keep our markers lasting a long time. All right, let's start by drawing our little troll's nose. And we're going to draw an oval shape in the middle of our paper. I'm going to draw it about here and about that size. We could also add a little nostril on each side. And we could also give our little troll a smile. I'm going to even add little cheek lines too. And then let's draw big eyes on the left and also over here on the right. Then we can make the eyes look shiny by adding a reflection or highlight. We're going to draw a smaller circle in the top left of each eye. And we can color in these eyes, the big circle black, but leave the little circle white. That part we sped up, so remember to pause the video during any part of the lesson where you need extra time. Okay, now let's draw the cheeks and also the chin and the other cheek on the other side. Yeah. Oh, it's looking really cute. Okay, now let's draw the hair. I'm going to draw an S curve right here. We'll start on the outside. We'll curve in to touch the cheek, and then we can curve back the other direction. So an S curve curves both ways. Yeah. Now we're going to draw the other side of the hair, or the rest of the hair coming over to the other side. We're going to draw, let's draw a little curved V first. Then we can draw another curve that connects to the first one. Then we're going to come across the forehead. We can add a little zigzag coming back up. And then let's draw the rest, or another big curve coming back. We can add even more zigzags in here if we want. And then let's draw a curve that comes down and connects. Oh, I'm going to go past the cheek. Yeah. Okay, now let's come back up here and we're going to draw the top of the hair. We're going to curve around like this. We could add a little extra bump. Or maybe even we could draw an S curve next. So curve one way and then back the other way. And then let's draw a zigzag. And then I'm going to draw another zigzag, and maybe we'll come out further, and then right at the end, I'm going to draw a little curve the other way. And we could add another zigzag. And let's connect down to the bottom. Okay, let's finish the hair over here. We're going to draw it coming up. We could draw a little zigzag, and then finish by connecting into the top of the hair. Ah, that looks really awesome. Good job. Okay, now let's add the ears. And we're going to draw troll ears. So we're going to draw them coming out kind of far. And we'll add a point. And then we're going to come back down and connect to the cheek. Those are big ears. Mm-hmm. Then let's draw the inside of the ear. We can draw a little curve here. And then let's draw another curve coming down and connecting to the cheek also. We're just going to match the outside shape. All right, now let's repeat that same step over here for the other ear, and we're going to try to make them look the same and the same size. So I'm going to draw an imaginary line coming over here, and we're going to draw that curve coming out to the point. And then right here, we're going to curve down and connect to the same place in the cheek on this side. Okay, now let's draw the inside. We'll draw that first curve. And then the next curve, we're going to try to match the outside shape and connect to the cheek. And I went behind the hair too. Now let's draw our hat. We're going to draw a big curve that comes over the hair and connects from one ear to the other ear. It was a big hat.
Yeah.
Now we can draw the rest of the hat. Let's draw a curve right here. We're going to draw it coming down. And then we're going to draw the other curve that kind of matches this one, but we're going to keep going until we get over here, and then we're going to connect into the ear. All right, we did it. We finished the head. Now let's start working on the body. And we can also finish the rest of the hat after we do the body. So let's start by drawing the little scarf that our troll is wearing. So I'm going to draw a line straight down the middle. It looks like the body.
The little twig.
Yeah, and we're going to draw the other side. And then we can connect those two together. Then we can also add little detail coming off the end of the scarf. Oh, let's make it more 3D by adding the other end of the scarf here. And then we can add more of those little details coming down. All right, now let's draw the neck, or the part that's wrapped around the neck. We're going to draw a curve coming down and then connect in. And mine came right through the middle, if it lines up with the middle of the eye. So I'm going to come over here and do the same thing to finish the other side of the scarf. Now let's draw the body. It's going to kind of look like maybe an abominable snowman. So I'm going to draw zigzag U shape. I'll come down to the middle here, and then I'm going to start over here where the armpit would be and draw a little zigzag coming down to the middle too. That's cute. Okay, and then we can draw the arms. I'm going to draw a zigzag that comes out like this, and then we'll curve in to the belly. And then let's do the same thing over here. We can come out, draw little zigzags, and curve into the belly. Yeah. All right, now let's draw the feet and the legs. First, let's draw two lines right down the middle. This is the heel of our little feet. And then we can draw the outside of the legs. I'm going to add a little zigzag line for the fur. And we're going to be shorter than the inside lines. So we won't come down as far. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. Little zigzag and come down. Let's draw our little trolls with bare feet. So we're going to draw the heel coming in. Oh, let's match on the same side. So we can repeat the same steps. Then we're going to draw a toe. So we're going to draw a circle and a circle over here. Now we're going to overlap the toes and make it look 3D. So let's add a second toe by just drawing the letter C. And how many toes? Let's add two more. So we got 4 toes. If you draw 5, it's going to look like too many. And then let's repeat that same step over here. We'll draw 4 toes and try to draw them really small. And then let's draw the top of the foot connecting from the toe and coming into the leg. And then let's do the same thing over here. Those are cute little toes.
I know.
We could also draw little fingers for the hand. Mine's a boy winter troll, but you could draw a girl winter troll by adding longer hair.
Oh, yeah.
If you want. You don't have to, but it might look really cute. You could also draw.
Yeah, I'm going to do that.
Okay, you could draw pigtails too. You could draw curly hair, or you could draw maybe an S curve that comes down from the ear. Mm-hmm. So you could curve one way and then the other way, and then repeat that same step, and the hair could come all the way down to her feet if you want.
Yeah.
Hadley, that looks really cute. And I especially like that you used a pencil first to get the shape that you like, and then use the marker on top of it.
Yeah.
Our friends can do that too. On any of our lessons, you could first use a pencil and get the lines just where you want them, and then you could go back over it with the marker. Yeah, and then when you're all done, you can erase the guidelines so you don't see the pencil anymore. Let's add one more thing to our troll's hat. We're going to add a little pom-pom. I'm going to draw a zigzag circle, or half of a circle that's behind the ear, hanging down. Yeah, and then you also have more hair, so you can overlap behind that too. Good job, we did it! Except we still need to
color it.
Yes, this part will fast forward again, so remember to pause the video, take extra time to color your drawings. And if you want, you could wait till we're all done coloring, then pause the video and use our drawings as inspiration. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
Hadley, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our winter trolls and they turned out perfect. I always love yours. It's my favorite.
Oh, I like yours too.
Thanks. I especially like how big your eyes are. You even added eyelashes, and I also really like that you changed the hair. I also added a little bit of extra hair too to mine. You can pause the video right now to match our same coloring.
Or you could color it any way you want.
Yeah, you could even add a background. Maybe there's lots of snow and mountains in the background, or even more trolls. We used our Art for Kids Hub markers, and if you want to use the same colors, we used 76 blue, 66 blue is kind of the main blue that we used for the hat. Oh, you used 76, it's slightly darker for the hair.
Then we used 17 pink for the ears and the toes.
Yeah, and also the fingers, and we used a pink colored pencil for the cheeks. And the really light blue 182, we used that for shading on the body, the face. I also added a big shadow down here on the ground.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a winter troll with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun. And remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than ours. Both of our drawings look different, and they both turned out awesome. The most important thing is,
To have fun.
yeah, and to
Practice.
practice. Remember to have fun and practice. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Goodbye.